Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. This is next. So here 1%. That is one thing, right? Americans are handled by Indian Army. Americans armies are handling Pakistani army. So by default, basically Pakistani armies are handled by Indian group basically. So here 1% told that like this basically why they created the thing basically. Like this basically many things are created basically. We will keep discussing basically why basically this has created, why, because this creation has happened. That means the energies are going to generate in environment. This creation has happened, that means basically the energies are going to generate in environment, that is going to connect to the human bodies, that is going to generate blood cells, that is going to generate the energy. So this whole matrix basically has collected by the nuclear power company department basically. That is one thing basically. So here 1%, this is one set of energy. That is basically we have cleared. So just see up to what level basically the construction department basically are connected basically. The software industries are connected with software industry, energies are connected. Under the land basically lots of process basically is happening. In that process basically these energies are going to use. That means one of the person told that what is this here basically? We are totally confused basically. So one person told that yes basically. That's very dangerous thing basically because you are playing with the land basically. So everything is tested basically. I will take one example basically, then it will get clear. Whatever rules and regulation basically which is implemented in this world, we are taking about India example only. In India basically whatever rules and regulation basically the things are going to implement in front of public basically, that is tested by some cities. And many incidents basically never comes in front of the public basically, that is in news channel basically. Reason, these all are the testing basically of rules and regulation basically. That is the sections, the rules basically which is going to create, which has not created basically yet. That is going to connect to some energies. That energy basically is going to use in the land side. So each and everything basically are there which are we are going to discuss in next video.